In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks Online Auto-Match and bank rules misfiring. Go to the QuickBooks site. At this point, you should already be logged in, and you should already be on your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, open the banking area by moving to the left sidebar, hover over Accounting, then click Bank Transactions in the submenu. The Bank Transactions page opens, and you'll see the tabs for Pending, Posted, and Excluded. From here, move into the part where you can fix a bank rule that is applying too broadly. Go back to the left sidebar, hover over Accounting again, and then click Rules. This opens the rules list. In the list, locate the sample rule called Coffee Expense. This is the rule we're going to edit so it stops misfiring. In the row for that rule, go to the Actions column and click Edit. The rule editor opens on the right side of the screen. Now adjust the condition so the rule is more specific. Find the condition that is currently using contains and change that condition to is exactly. Then update the bank text field with the full merchant name. Click into the bank text field and type Starbucks. Keep going and type store. Then enter 4421 so the full value reads Starbucks Store 4421. This narrows the rule so it only reacts to the exact merchant text instead of a broader partial match. Next, check the category field for this rule. Make sure the category shown is Meals and Entertainment. This is the category assigned for this vendor in the sample setup, and this is the field you need to verify before saving the updated rule. Now click Save at the bottom of the editor. After you save, a confirmation banner appears, and the rule in the list shows the updated condition. That confirms the rule has been tightened and is now set to match more precisely. Next, turn off Auto Add so the rule stops posting transactions automatically. Stay in the Rules area, find the same Coffee Expense rule again, and in the Actions column, click Edit one more time. The rule editor opens again on the right side. Scroll down to the bottom of the rule editor until you reach the Auto Add setting. Change the Auto Add toggle to Off. When it is turned off, the switch becomes gray. This changes the rule so that future matching transactions no longer post automatically. After that, click Save again. Back in the Rules list, look at the Auto Add column for the rule. It now shows Off. That means any future transactions that match this rule will go to for review instead of being posted silently, and they will wait there for manual approval. Next, undo a transaction that was matched or categorized incorrectly. Go back to the main banking view by clicking Bank Transactions in the left sidebar. If you have more than one connected bank account, select the bank account tile where the incorrect match happened. In the sample company, the account is called Checking, so click the Checking tile. Once that account is selected, click the Posted tab. This shows the list of bank transactions that have already been posted. In this list, scan through the transactions and find the one that has the wrong category or the wrong match attached to it. When you locate that transaction, move to the Action column on the right side of the same row and click Undo. After you click it, a confirmation banner appears at the top of the page saying One Transaction Undone. The transaction is now moved back to the For Review tab. From there, it is no longer locked into the incorrect match or category, so it can be matched to the correct invoice or categorized manually. At this point, the main issue is fixed. You've tightened the bank rule, turned off AutoAdd, and undone the incorrectly handled transaction so it returns to review. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the complete process inside QuickBooks Online for fixing auto match and bank rules that are misfiring.